What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, 2017 Chevy Corvette. Very nice car with the front end collision. I don't know what happened to it, but we gotta make it look like nothing ever happened. So let's take a closer look and see exactly what's going on with it. So we got a left front end collision from what I could see. Obviously the fender, the bumper, the headlight, maybe a couple of brackets. And also I noticed the hood and the bumper is shifted to the right. The gap is a little too small and the bumper popped out of it. So right now we'll pull the car inside, start taking everything apart and assess the damage and start ordering new parts and get this bad boy back on the road. The American muscle car, American exotic, but pretty nice car. It's a manual transmission, so from what I understood, it's somewhat special. So let's pull the car inside and we'll go from there. I just got the Corvette up in the air, and once again, big shout out to Quick Jacks for making my life a lot easier to work on this car. So if you guys need a set, I'll put all their info down in the description. Highly recommend, best stuff ever. So now we could get to work. We'll start removing the fender, the bumper, kind of free everything so we could assess the damage and see exactly what's going on with it. And also, if you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and now let the fun begin. Just took everything apart, and yes, there's more hitting damages, so let's check it out. So this piece is damaged, this piece is damaged, this piece is damaged, and then this lower radiator support is damaged. So from the impact, it shifted everything. As you guys could see, it's not straight, it's supposed to be straight. So it shifted everything down to here, ripped out this, and that's why the hood won't close and the hood moved this way. So yeah, I have to replace this whole thing because it's ripped right there, and this one is pushed in as well, so it's all one piece, bolts onto the frame that holds the radiators, condenser, all that fun stuff. And then obviously the bumper and the fender. So right now we'll place an order on all the new parts, and most likely it's gonna take a couple of weeks. So for now, we'll put this project on hold and start working on something else. So I finally got the lower, I would say, subframe or lower radiator support. This is what holds the radiators and everything, and from the impact that it's bent. So right now we'll remove the hood and start replacing all those pieces. Okay, everything is loose, but I think I gotta remove this air box so I could scoot the radiator forward and remove this plastic cover. Hold it like that. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Just put everything back together. So next we could install the hood and start installing the fender. We got some progress on the Corvette, so everything is done and looking good. So I installed the bumper just to double check, make sure all the gaps are perfect, everything lining up perfect. Perfect gap over here, perfect gap right here, and same with this side. And then once I remove the bumper, I'll remove this headlight because we're gonna spray the whole front end. And also blend the driver's door. So once I put the car down, I'll remove the mirror. And I gotta take the door panel apart to get to it. And also I gotta remove this molding. We'll let Andre do his magic and we'll start putting everything back together. Doing a little color match right now, try to find out which one works the best. Oh, I think this one's too dark. From this angle it looks dark, it looks like the rear one. Yeah, definitely not the bottom ones. There's 3 spray out, 3 different colors. Yeah, that one. There's 3 different colors, so we try to avoid what they did in the back because they obviously painted a little too dark. So I think we got the perfect color, so we'll pull the car inside the spray booth right now and start spraying. Corvette is painted and ready to go. We could start putting it back together. We'll start with the front door and work our way to the front, pretty much get it ready for wash, detail, and delivery. So we end up getting brand new 4 Michelin tires, reconditioned 3 of the wheels, and got a brand new front left rim because the old one was bent. So now we could finish up with this project. And once again, big shout out to Gunny Wheel for saving my day. This way we had the car on Gunny wheels and we're able to roll it back and forth, no problem. So if you guys need a set, I'll put all their information down in the description. Check them out, highly recommend. Just installed the wheels, so my job is done. So next, we're gonna drop off the car at the dealership. They're gonna do the alignment on it and just go through the whole car, make sure everything is up to date. And then we'll do the final wash detail and it's ready to go. Let's do that. The alignment is off a little bit. Just picked up the Corvette from the dealership, so we're all set. And those are the 3 things they did. They did oil change on it. They went through the whole engine compartment. They checked all the belts, all the hoses, make sure everything's up to date. Then they did a safety inspection as well. They checked the frame, they checked all the control arms, make sure no undercarriage damage, just went through the whole car. And then for the final, they did the alignment, 4-wheel alignment. So the car is all dialed in, oil is good, brand new oil, brand new tires. So let's head back to the shop and get this car washed, detailed, and good to go. Corvette is washed, detailed, and ready to go. It came out beautiful, like nothing happened. Let's take a closer look. So the car came in with the front end collision. We got a new fender, headlight, bumper. Also got a brand new rim, brand new Michelin tire. We reconditioned the rest of the rims and we painted the whole front end. And then for the final, we took the car to the dealership to do the final inspection, make sure everything is good, everything is up to date. We did an oil change, so the car is ready to go, and the owner is on his way to pick up his beautiful car, ready for the weekend. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!